How to generate great leads for a business. You have to generate new leads, but how? What does it take to bring in people who really want what you're selling? It takes determination and skill, but it also takes knowledge. To start your education, check out the many helpful tips and tricks below as soon as possible. Be more active on niche-relevant forums and discussion boards to generate easy leads. If you hang out where consumers ask questions, you can gather trust, brand yourself and be a go-to source for them. Not only will they appreciate your assistance, they will also most likely visit your site for more info or to make purchases. Set time every week to follow up with potential leads. It usually takes more than one touch point to turn a potential qualified lead into a real hot lead. So after you've made first contact, set time a week or two later to touch base again. It's about frequency here to make this person into a customer. Check out local events in order to maximize your leads. If you're allowed to have a table there, you could hand out pamphlets and hold a giveaway. Just ask people to leave their name and email in return for a ballot, but be sure to let them know if you'll be adding them to a mailing list. Check out events in your area and see if there's a way you can use them to generate leads. For example, if there is a cycling race, buy a sponsorship package. Then you can get yourself on TV talking about it, or in the paper, or just talk to people who are there to watch. Talk to business owners in related industries. They may be willing to share leads with you, by sending their customers your way. For example, if you own a shop where you sell balloons, talking to a florist about a joint venture is a great way to get leads from another business. Search engine optimization can take a while to get going, as can other lead generation techniques. While they are the best, and while some experts saying purchasing leads is a bad idea, it's not always the case. Buying leads from a trusted source within your niche can actually be extremely beneficial. Now you know how to bring in leads which will be lucrative. This is the knowledge you needed to ensure future success. As soon as you start using this data, you'll find your business only gets better. Start your lead generation planning today so that customers flock in and your profits soar. Student loan.